Assignment 5 video 3. Last video we learned how to take our stripped surface, have it show up on our profile view, and also to create a proposed road profile for alignment street G. In this video here we'll carry on from here. We'll go back to our surface, and what we're going to do is learn how to create or how to calculate a volume between the existing ground and the stripped surface to determine the amount of topsoil that we have. To do that, we go up to our Analyze ribbon. Okay, so we click on this Analyze right here. It opens up this ribbon here, and we create or click on this Volumes dashboard. Clicking on this will open up this dialog box here, and we have to click on this. So we actually have to create a new volume surface, and what we're going to do is we're going to create one here. The only thing we're going to change is the name. Where it says surface, we're going to say topsoil so that we know what it is. After we have topsoil right here, the things that we have to change are our base surface and comparison surface. So for the base surface, I'm going to use the strip ground, and for the comparison surface, the existing ground. Now you can flip this around, it makes no difference, just keep it in your head what's going on. So if you click on OK at this point right here, the information that you need will pop up. We'll just expand this a little bit, and we can see that between the strip surface and the existing ground there is a 917 or 91,000 cubic meters of fill, so of topsoil that is available if you stripped on average 6 inches off of it. So we're going to minimize this and attach it to the top or put it above us, because what I want to show you is that as discussed in class, this basically gives a surface or a volume in this entire area here. However, if we only wanted the volume of a certain area, let's say in this area right here, what you would have to do is first create a polyline around it, which I already have done, and knowing that this polyline exists, you can go to your surfaces on your prospector tab, expand the surfaces, you will see your existing ground, the stripped, and now you have a new one called topsoil. So right here is a volume surface. We'll go down to the definitions, and what we want to do is introduce a boundary. So we're going to right click and click on add boundary. It will ask you for the name. We could say block 1 or phase 1. Let's call it phase 1 of the subdivision will be to develop this block right here. So we call it phase 1. We can keep everything the same. We click on OK, and what you do is you click on the polyline that represents the area that you want to calculate the volume. Clicking on this, you can see it changes over here, and also up here you can see that the fill changes from the 91,000 cubic meters to just 5,011 cubic meters. So now that the amount of topsoil in this area here would be 5,000 cubic meters. So again, just taking a look here and using this, let's say if we were going to use this as our volume in this area right here, what we would do is go to our boundaries, we would right click, we would add, and call this one phase 2. Click on OK, and that becomes phase 2. You either click on it, mine was already selected so it shows after I select it. So this one again changes from 5,011, the boundary switches over to here. Now it's 6,331 cubic meters of topsoil in this area. So just like that, calculate the areas of the topsoil for this, this, and this, as well as the entire subdivision, interior subdivision. So that's how you would create or how you would calculate volumes and create a volume surface. this concludes assignment 5, video 3.